Welcome. Our next reading skill is all about tough questions. So this is identifying questions that characters ask themselves that they're trying to figure out. And usually they won't figure out the answer immediately. It takes them a minute, or they may never figure out the answer. So once you notice these tough questions, you want to write them down, take notice of them, and then think about, what does this question make me wonder about? And the answer to this question will lead you to theme, internal conflict, character development, all important things. So, tough questions when you're reading and the character asks himself a really difficult question. Um, oops, see what I did there? I had a mistake, but I fixed it. Woohoo! If you noticed it, kudos to you. So, anyway, you want to ask your question, what does this make me wonder about? So, for example, in this instance of the YouTube video that we watched earlier, or you should have watched, Simba is thinking about, oh, he doesn't want to go back and take his rightful place because he feels he's not good enough. So, like, I guess the question he's asking is, should I or should I not go back? And then the answer is, remember who you are. So then that makes me think about, like, um, am I capable of doing what I'm supposed to do? Or should I just, if I remembered who I was, would I be able to do more? Would I be able to fulfill my potential more if I remembered who I was? Should I be more brave? Just things like that maybe connects into a theme like remember who you are and fulfill your potential, or it connects to the internal conflict of Simba trying to like fulfill the expectations and feeling like he's not good enough, or a significant character development because as Simba goes along his path of trying to solve this question, he grows and stuff. So, all good things. And have fun applying it to the story we're about to read.